Andrew Doyle is ready for snow after a trip to Rocky's Ace Hardware in Concord. Rock salt and firewood were on his list.
It's pretty normal. I mean, grew up with it from around here, so kind of get used to it. You know what to do. You don't have to go too crazy like they do down south.
With the storm expected to bring about a foot of snow to some parts of New Hampshire over the next 2 days, this is the kind of weather that brings customers in for shovels.
The 1 or 2 inches, generally, yeah, they'll come in, but generally when it gets over a foot or there's a good general snowstorm coming in, they'll be in.
The Department of Transportation treated highways today. New Hampshire's Emergency Operations Center will be open during bad weather to support local and state agencies.
As much as 3 inches an hour, coming down around 7 o'clock tomorrow night. So certainly traveling is going to be treacherous during that time, both visibility and road conditions.
Power companies are staffing additional crews. Outages would likely happen overnight Thursday into Friday.
We want the public to be prepared for power outages, self-prepare for those 72 hours, food, water, medications for them, their pets.
Heavy snow could also lead to falling tree limbs.
It's important to remember when you go out there with that chainsaw to think about where that tree might go when you start to cut it. These trees have been stressed. They'll be twisted.
Whatever the storm brings, Doyle thinks it could be the beginning of a busy winter.
We got a little lucky last year, so. But hopefully it's not too bad tomorrow.
The state fire marshal is also advising people to be very careful when using a generator. Make sure that it is at least 10 to 15 feet away from your home so that carbon monoxide doesn't come inside the house. In Hooksett, Mike Cronin, WMUR News 9.